Hello. I got a little bit too much recently, but they're little justifications. For some reason, it happens to be primarily of Chanel items, so I thought maybe I'd create a video of just Chanel things. If I were to include literally everything else, I think it would be a super long video, so maybe I'll do a separate video of the other things I got. I guess I'll just start off with the smallest thing first and build our way up. So the first thing that I got while I was actually in Korea was this healthy lip and cheek balm. I heard a lot about this, but I wanted to try something different because I had so many blushes. So I tried out this Chanel balm, multi-stick balm, and it's basically just literally what it sounds like, a balm that you can put on top of your makeup or before, and it acts as like a highlighter and sort of a blush at the same time. But I ended up not really using this. I don't know why. Maybe because, I don't know, it's not exactly a blush, it's sort of like in the middle, so I just never reached for this, but maybe I'll try to use it a little bit more. All that to say, I ended up picking this one up and I actually really like this. I think I'm more of like a cooler tone and this looks like it'd be warm, so I thought I wouldn't fit it, but I think it's really natural, so it doesn't really matter what sort of spectrum you're on. I've just been using this a lot, and I use it primarily on my cheeks rather than my lips because I feel like on my lips I have a lot of color on my lips, so when I put this on it kind of just covers that. So I just like to put these on as a blush, and it's so cute. I love it. It's just so like cute and I love it. Just repeating what I just said. I actually would really recommend this. I think if I were to end up finishing this, I would try to get a new one, but I'm trying to stop buying so many blushes, so for now this is good. Okay, next I guess is kind of into beauty. This was a gift from my brother. I know, guys, a gift from my brother. My brother is too nice. If you guys watch my past videos, he got me a Chanel bag for no reason. Like, he just got it for me. I was so thankful, obviously. And this time it was my birthday a few weeks ago, and I was surprised by a box. Got me this Chanel. I did not expect this at all. It came wrapped in like gift wrapping and everything, and it's a layers of hydration skincare set. If you guys can see, it has like little fluffy little thing on it, so it's just so soft and cute and fluffy, and it's white and it just reminds me of snow. And even the little zipper here, it has like the Chanel logos as the snowflake, which is so cute. This comes with 3 items, and it comes with the micro serum water cream and the eye and lip remover. I've used the cream so far and they're actually really good. I've only used like the small little sample lotions from Chanel, and it's just a whole new experience. Even though it's literally the same item, having it in like an actual bottle, it's just so cute and girly. There's just a luxurious experience with it. I'm excited to continue using that, and I'm actually gonna look into more Chanel beauty items like their lotions, because I just love how it looks on my vanity and the experience of using it. And I just love this cute bag. Again, thank my brother, because he really didn't have to do this. Like, he already got me a bag. Like, he didn't need to do this, but so sweet of him. And okay, so now on to the bigger items. Are you guys excited? Because I'm excited to show you. Like, I mean, obviously I've had them for a while, but now that I'm actually showing you guys, I'm excited. And I don't have the boxes for these items because I got these in Korea. I didn't want to bring the boxes, so I just have the items with me. Here they are. I put them back in their dust bags for you all to have somewhat of an experience. I don't know. It's kind of obvious of what this would be, but they are the Chanel sneakers. Okay. I was always against Chanel sneakers or like higher end luxury sneakers, so I just didn't think they were worth it, first of all. And I always felt as though they were bulky. Like, the shoes that would come out were very bulky. I personally don't like bulky shoes, so I would never be drawn to them. But this time around, I saw these in the store. Let me just take both of them out. So these are what they look like. To continue the story, so basically I saw these in store. I guess they literally came out the day I was in the boutique. This is part of the spring summer 25, I believe, so it's very new. It's the first time I've seen such a sleek design for a sneaker. I know like their ballet flats and boots, they come out in like a sleeker, slimmer design, but the sneakers, I haven't seen many. So when I saw this, I loved it, and I've been eyeing like the Miu Miu New Balance ones. I've been wanting that for a while. I think I talked about in a few videos, but I tried it on in store, like a different version. It didn't really look that nice for some reason on the feet. So when I went to the Chanel store, I saw these and I tried them on. They're actually perfect. I love how low-key they are, and guys, they're so comfortable. I just love them. I don't know what else to say. They also come with a pair of white laces, so you can switch out the black ones of whatever you're feeling. I actually am planning to maybe buy another pair of laces or something, so maybe I could like make it more personalized for me, but they're so cute. I haven't worn them out too much yet because it's been snowing, but I am so excited. I feel like I can wear this a lot in the spring and summer as well. I love how minimal that they are. There's only a tiny logo in the front, which I wear longer jeans anyway, so you can't really see them, but I still feel like if you want to show it if you're wearing like shorts. Also just love the detail on the quilting in the back. I just appreciate the little details, and this is going to be like a forever shoe. It's exactly my type of shoe. If you guys don't know, I love slim shoes, and these are exactly what I've been looking for, and they're so comfortable. That's also something. With luxury shoes, they could be a bit harder to wear, but these are so comfy and they're just a great everyday shoe, and so excited to wear these out and style these. Now on to the next item. I've been eyeing this for a while and I've been seeing so many videos on TikTok and stuff about this bag, and I would try to ignore it because I didn't want to succumb to literally wanting to buy the bag. But yeah, like I said, it was a little present for myself, so here it is. Again, I wish I had the box to show you guys, but it's the Chanel Vanity. The reason I've been wanting this is because I don't have a smaller sort of compact black bag with gold hardware. I want one that I can put my camera in. Not that I vlog a lot, but in some cases when I do want to bring my camera, I've realized like my wallet on chain, obviously it wouldn't fit inside. So I just had been eyeing this for so long, and I loved the, I believe it's calfskin, the sheen and like the shine on it. I've been sort of eyeing the patent leather ones, but I don't know why patent leather can sometimes look cheap, and I don't know if I would want to invest in that. I don't know. So when I saw this one, I feel like it's such a great like middle ground where it has a shine to it, but it's not all the way to a patent leather. It doesn't have the top handle, which I was contemplating. I sort of like that sometimes on the vanities, but I think the ones with the top handle, they don't have the adjustable strap. And this has the adjustable strap, which is a game changer. So you can wear it crossbody, you can wear it like on the shoulder, and you can wear it like just holding the straps very short like this, sort of like a handbag. So very versatile, and it's such a cute little detail. It's part of their Sweetheart collection. It has the little heart detail. I have worn this a few times when I was in Korea, and it's just so minimal but cute and carries a lot. So I'm so excited to continue wearing this, and I think this can go well with like any season. It just is so practical, and the bottom also so cute. But yeah, those were my Chanel compilation of my Chanel items I've gotten in the past few weeks or so. I did not expect to film this sort of Chanel centric video, but I don't know, it just happened this way. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.